What is going on, guys? So today I'm going over to Flyryde shop. I'm gonna help him out. He wanted to film something on the GTR, so let's go to his shop and get to filming, I guess. We're at Chris's shop now. Hey. Flyryde on YouTube. Go subscribe to him. What are you doing today?
We have this GTR that the customer brought it with the bumper almost all the way removed, so I don't have to do all the work, but I'm doing custom lights to it. So these lights have to come off. They're gonna go in that oven, then we're gonna put those parts in them, put them back on. It's gonna be dope.
Yeah, hopefully.
That's the plan.
Yeah. Oh man, look at this GTR though. I don't know if you guys can see. It has a Sheepy Race intercooler. You can see the little logo there. I don't know. It looks interesting. This is the best tool to have.
Oh, the best, dude. These things suck. These clips, I didn't even know these existed, these pliers. And I used to fight with these things with little flathead drivers for years. And this just pulls right out. So go get them. 10 bucks Amazon.
Look at this thing. It's hiding something underneath. I don't know what it is. Look at the blue on it too. It looks really cool. It's like a purplish blue. And it has the Volk racing rims. So this is what this crazy guy does.
Hey.
He likes to take apart GTR headlights and do a bunch of silly things with them.
Yeah, right? And I put all this crazy stuff in there and then make a couple little adjustments that you can't tell behind the scenes. Try to make it, if at all possible, look like it came that way from the factory. That's the plan.
So this is what it looks like. I'll show you what they look like on. And if you want to order any of his products, like that board that's in there to make these lights super bright, he has them on his website. What is it? Flyryde.com, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he'll have them up there in case you have a GTR.
Yeah, because you probably do.
Probably, yeah. This is what a GTR headlight looks on the inside. A bunch of wires. Oh no, actually these are modified, right?
Yeah, super modified.
These are, oh, let me put a clip in of what these look like at night.
All right, here's kind of an example of what I was talking about before. So you've got your demon eyes that are all set to red, and then you've got the angel eyes that are able to turn all the different colors and do it in sequence. And you could do all that through the actual software on the phone. So it's totally changeable, but at least just for an initial setup, this is super interesting to me. I'm like nerding out right now.
Looks good. Right, LEDs check out fine. I'm gonna turn on the sequential lights. Ooh, that's our new turn signals we haven't even looked at yet. Show mode 1 and show mode 2. Looking good. Okay, so this thing's ready for the oven now that we've checked it out. Pretty much home free. We'll see.
How fun does this look to do, man?
It feels like crap. I think this is super dangerous, bad for you. Lead solder.
Yeah, don't breathe that in.
I know, but I do it all the time. It's such a stupid thing to do for a living. Don't be like me, viewer. Don't do it.
Don't build GTR headlights.
Not worth it.
You do a good job though.
Thank you, sir.
They come out clean.
Using clickbait and I didn't even know what it was for. You just said look mad.
I just told him to look mad. Yeah, so here is the car all dismantled because of this guy. It's all his fault.
It's me. My bad.
So those lights are going in tomorrow and
yeah, early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Like
okay.
5 or something.
All right, perfect. All right, man, let's go home. It's super late.
Yeah, I'm over it.
Let's go.
Let's go watch DuckTales.
Catch my camera. So we are done here at Flyryde. Now it's time to go home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment. Let me know what you think about the GTR headlight. I'll see you next time. Peace.